For whatever reason, I just couldn't get shoes right for the longest time, but after some learning and practice, I figured out some tricks that will hopefully help you out as much as they've helped me. You'll want to start thinking of shoes as separate pieces put together. Imagine a rectangle of material with rounded corners, and maybe with stitching going around the edges. If we fold it around, we'll end up with this cylinder shape that has an opening. If this were a laced shoe, the gap should be lined with holes. Of course, no shoe is going to be a literal cylinder like this, but if you imagine starting with this sort of shape and molding it, you'll have a good start for a lot of different looking shoes. This could look like stretching the bottom of the gap out forward towards the toe area, which works for boots and other shoes that go up past the ankle. Or for shoes below the ankle, lay the cylinder on its side and add a dip on each side where the ankle goes, and reconnect the edges in the back. You'll see these dips a lot in these below ankle shoes. Our next piece is the toe, which most of the time will be a curved half circle. It's especially noticeable on Converse because of the white color and material, and can sometimes be made more pointed or angular. Even if this piece is connected to the rest of the shoe, the shape will often still be recognizable. Our third section is the tongue, which is a long piece of material that goes inside the cylinder. A lot of people think of the tongue as just this part, but it usually goes all the way underneath the laces and down to the toe area. Next is the bottom rim of the shoe that goes all around the bottom edges. On each side of the foot will be an inward dip. At a lot of angles, this dip will appear narrower than the rest of the rim. On some tennis shoes and boots, the grip will be visible on the bottom. If you put everything together, you'll have more or less a complete shoe, so all that's left is additional details. Laces can be ribbon or tube shaped, and I find the easiest way to do them is to start on one side going down, and then the other. Laces from one side tuck underneath the other. If you're drawing shoes without laces, you could also try straps, buckles, or sections of stretchy material. For boots, you could line the top with fur, or fold over the top edges of the cylinder. Raised heels are usually shaped a bit like a box, and work well on boots as well as fancier shoes. If you're interested in more clothing advice, check out this video on clothing folds. Thanks for watching!